Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I'm a big fan of oatmeal and I thought about why not turning oatmeal into a muffin? Oh yes, sugar. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all some brown sugar oatmeal muffins. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make, healthy, thebomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of oatmeal goodness. And these muffins will remind you of eating a bowl of oatmeal. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. Perfect for breakfast and brunch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my muffins recipes playlist and my previous video, Old Fashioned Southern Peach Crisp. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your muffin pan, your brown sugar, and your oatmeal sugar, because we're about to bake some brown sugar oatmeal muffin magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup of 1-minute oatmeal, or you can use the old-fashioned oatmeal. In the 2-hour oatmeal we're going to add in 1 cup of sweet milk. Sweet milk is Southern talk for whole milk. Give it a quick stir until it's well combined. So all we do now is let the oatmeal sit for about 15 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the oatmeal looked like. You see how some of the oatmeal soaked up the milk? That looks great. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the other ingredients. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. Going to give this a quick whisk, or you can sift it. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 1/4 teaspoons of pure maple extract, and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to whisk these together until they're well incorporated. I should have added the cinnamon with the flour and brown sugar, but it's all good. Alrighty my friends, now we're going to add in the oatmeal mixture into the egg mixture. Whisk this all together. Could smell the vanilla and maple extract and the ground cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're going to slowly add in the flour and sugar mixture. We're going to continue whisking until it's well combined. And as soon as I get through whisking everything, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up my muffin batter, and this is what it looks like. Nice and smooth. That looks great. Now we're ready to scoop them into our muffin cups. We're going to scoop them into 12 muffin pan lined with 12 muffin cups. So using my ice cream scoop, just going to scoop the muffin batter about 2/3 or 3/4 away. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping the rest of my muffin batter, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my muffins together. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in a preheated 425 degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my muffins out of the oven, and they're nice and golden brown. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now I have placed them on the wall rack and we're going to let them cool. And then I'll place them on my cake platter. All right, my friends, there you have it. Brown sugar oatmeal muffins. Don't they look delicious? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this muffin. Have a bite. That texture nice and moist. It's flavorful. Could taste the oatmeal. Could taste the cinnamon and the maple extract. If y'all a fan of oatmeal, y'all gonna love these muffins. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Brown sugar oatmeal muffin-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.